Since the time is running and the time is up, we'll just take one more last question before we end the session. The last question. Hi Zakir Naik sir. Hello. I am from Sri Lanka and 19 years old. I accepted Islam on my own and my family are Hindus. And they don't know that I reverted to Islam. When they know it, I don't know how would they react. They will get hurt. For some day, I made my salah while my parents were not there. I could concentrate on my prayers and I missed one or two prayers because of my classes and school. I don't know what to do. I love Allah. I will do Fajr prayer so my parents won't know about it. I plan to tell about this to my parents when I get into a position where I can make decision on my own. For now, I completely rely on them. What should I do? This Hindu brother from Sri Lanka was 19 years old. He says that he has accepted Islam recently. And since he belongs to a Hindu family, he's not sure how will the family react. What would the father say? What would the mother say? What would the brothers and sisters say? So what he's doing is that he has accepted Islam. He's praying silently. He's praying Fajr Salah. He prays most of the Salah. One or two Salah he misses. And he says since he's dependent on the parents completely, maybe once he gets independent, he will tell them what should he do. Number one, it's not compulsory for a non-Muslim when he accepts Islam that he should proclaim it in public. If he feels that danger to his life and he feels that there will be retaliation from the society, from the family and difficult, he need not say it. He agrees himself and accepts Islam like this brother has done. Now the question is, what should he do? Now since he says he's dependent on his parents for his living and he doesn't know how will they, what should he do? My first advice to you would be, brother, that see to it that you pray all 5 times Salah and you're praying your Fajr Salah, mashallah, very good. You're missing one or two, avoid missing that also. The major point is that you see to it that your behavior towards your parents, towards your mother, towards your father, towards your brothers, towards your sister should be multiple times better than what you were before. What you were when you were Hindu. And once you accept Islam, your behavior to your mother, your behavior to your father, your behavior to your brothers and sisters should be multiple times better, should be better. If you loved your mother maybe 10 points, now you should love 100 points. If you obeyed her most of the time, see to it, you obey 100% now. Except those things which they say, which is against the Sharia, which is against the Quran, which is against the teaching of the Prophet. Everything else, for example, your mother tells you, my son, why don't you wear a blue shirt? And you don't like blue color. Now once you accept Islam, there is no harm in wearing blue color. You tell your mother, okay, you want, though I don't like it, I am wearing blue color because of you. She should find a marked difference in your behavior. Same thing with your father. Help your father, obey him, love him more, love your mother. Only don't do those things which is prohibited in the Sharia. Remaining, you obey them, follow them, help them. They should say, what has happened to my son? How come he's become so obedient? How come he's loving me more? Now later on, maybe after a few weeks, after a few months, when you think the time is right, you can tell them that the change has come in my life because I'm a Muslim. And my religion, Islam, says that paradise lies beneath the feet of the mother. My religion says that father is the gateway to heaven. You have to obey your parents. My religion tells me, my Quran tells me that you can't say oof to your parents, even if they reach old age. You have to love them, you have to respect them, you have to obey them. So if you start telling all these things, I am sure they'll be impressed. Not only will they be happy with you, even they will accept Islam. So you are now the source to lead your parents and your brothers and sisters to Jannah. So see to it that you create an environment that they love Islam. If there are any misconception, if there are any Islamophobia, you remove it. And you see to it that you slowly do dawah to your parents and to your siblings, to your brothers and sisters. And inshallah, pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may He grant you Jannah. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give you the guidance and the sabr and the knowledge to invite your family members to Islam, invite your friends, and inshallah, may you, inshallah, go to Jannat al-Firdaus. This was the last answer that we had time. And inshallah, till we meet 2 weeks from now, on the 17th of August, 2 weeks from now, on Saturday, same time, till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.